I have a sense that in many cases, women are better when it comes to human management than men. Because of this, they always say we're emotional. It's not about being emotional, but it's about understanding that being professional doesn't mean that you have to erase a part of the human psyche. I'm not making tea and chairing the meeting. Pick one. Women who want to be leaders need to be visible in the spaces that require women's leadership. A woman's leadership style is much more inclusive. I think the biggest part of the mountain that we have to climb is that we're not seen as capable enough to hold those roles, especially in the African context. Should we even be in those roles? Should we be in those rooms where the men are talking? It's about breaking those stereotypes. The underrepresentation of women in leadership is not about women's inability or lack of leadership qualities, but this lack of representation. This underrepresentation tends to reinforce women's inferiority complex. Women should believe in themselves and be confident in their ability to be leaders. And that confidence is not arrogance or boastfulness. It's confidence in knowing yourself, your skills, what you're capable of, what you're passionate about, and what you're interested in. If you're a woman in any field in law, have that confidence that you belong and own your space. Don't give ground in that space. This is not necessarily in an aggressive way, but in a way that says, I am comfortable here, I belong here, and I'm going to put a stamp and have an input in this role. Women should take this step. It's not necessary that you have a vision for the whole process or the whole project at the beginning. Just take the step that you can take now, and it will lead you to another step. It will open another gate. Even in a family where both the man and the woman are working, people still expect, the families still expect, even women themselves expect themselves to be the primary caregivers for their children and for their families. I think we need to start negotiating differently. Having women come to positions of leadership normalizes the idea of women as leaders. And it is only when that is normalized that you can then begin to see what value they bring to leadership and how they can work with other leaders to improve the spaces that they lead. While we have made tremendous strides in bridging the gap of women rising in the ranks in academia, the legal profession, and politics, the work ahead is still tremendous. Daunting indeed, but not impossible. Our mothers, sisters, and mentors broke the barriers, but we must expand and stretch the spaces that limit our potential.